Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter number 2 of Civics, which is the fundamental rights and duties. Our constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights to all the citizens. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Let's start with right to equality. Right to equality is given in Articles 14 to 18 of our Constitution. According to this right, all Indian citizens are equal before the law and shall be treated as such. In other words, no Indian shall be discriminated against on the grounds of caste, religion, race, gender, or place of birth. There shall be equal opportunity in matters of employment as well as education. Right to freedom is mentioned in Articles 19 to 22 of our Constitution. The right ensures civil liberty and protects the citizens from the repressions of the government. There are 6 basic freedoms guaranteed to us under this right. They are freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully, freedom to form associations and union, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the country, and freedom to practice any profession, trade, or business. Right against exploitation is given in Articles 23 and 24 of our Constitution. This right aims at eradicating all forms of exploitation from the Indian society. Forced labor is banned in our country, which means no Indian man or woman can be made to work without being paid for it or paid less than the basic minimum wages set up by the government. Likewise, child labor is prohibited in the country. The right to freedom of religion is contained in Articles 25 to 28 of our Constitution. Since there is no state religion here and the state neither supports nor discriminates against any religion, the people are free to profess, practice, and propagate the religion of their choice. Right to freedom of religion is contained in Articles 25 to 28 of our Constitution. Since there is no state religion here and the state neither supports nor discriminates against any religion, the people are free to profess, practice, and propagate the religion of their choice. Cultural and educational rights are given in Articles 29 and 30 of our Constitution. Every community has the freedom to develop, preserve, and promote its culture, language, and script. It also has the freedom to start and run its own educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies is given in the Articles 31 and 32 of our Constitution. This right enables every Indian citizen to safeguard their fundamental rights. There may be occasions when an individual or group or the existing government may violate one or more fundamental rights. During such times, we need to take the help of this right, that is, the right to constitutional remedies. Go to a court of law, either a high court or the apex Supreme Court, and restore our fundamental rights. Apart from enjoying these fundamental rights, all of us need to perform some basic duties towards the Indian state. These duties are called fundamental duties. There are 10 fundamental duties given in our constitution which all of us need to perform. Firstly, as Indians, all of us need to abide by the Constitution of India and uphold its ideals: justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Its institutions: President, Prime Minister, the Supreme Court, the Election Commissioner, and its symbols: the national flag, the national anthem, the national emblem. Secondly, we need to cherish and uphold the ideals which inspired our freedom struggle, like freedom, non-violence, democracy, secularism, and so on. We need to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. We need to defend our country and render national service when called upon to do so. We need to promote harmony and the spirit of brotherhood and respect the dignity of women. We need to value and preserve the rich cultural heritage of our country. We need to protect and improve the natural environment like forest, wildlife, rivers, lakes, etc. We need to protect public property like our national monuments, parks, railways, and stay away from violence. We need to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. We need to strive for excellence in all the spheres. As the citizens of this great country, all of us need to know and enjoy our fundamental rights. We need to know and perform our duties. Only then we will be able to realize the dream of a welfare state. Thank you, students.